Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by to see what I am up to. And today, my dog's going to bark, of course. I have my Facetory, and this should be for the July 2020 month because they're usually a month behind. And as I'm opening this up here, Facetory is $8. The kit that I receive, and this is 4 masks, is $8.90 a month. Like I said, you get 4 masks. It is called the Forever Fresh Kit. You can get the 7 Lux. It's $19 a month. You get 7 masks, and then they have the Lux Plus Box, $49.95, and that's a season, quarterly, however you want to word that. 10 to 12 skincare and hair care items with a promised value of over $200, and I love this one each month. And we're not going to waste too much time. You do get a card that will tell you all your masks. So I have 4. If you get the 7, you'll have information for 7. And this is July. So let's just do the first one as we see them right here. And this is from Jean Blanc, and this is Honey Essential Sheet Mask. Value of $2. It has honey extract and Centella acidica extract. Calms the skin, helps speed up the healing process. Honey extract is a natural humectant ingredient that helps hydrate the skin and minimizes inflammation. So that's a nice mask to have. The next one is from Balloon Blanc, and this is a vitamin mask. Value of $2.50. Key ingredients is ethyl, can't even see that, ascorbyl ether, also known as vitamin C. This ingredient will help brighten the skin and add radiance. $2.50, so that's nice. What's the next one? This one looks interesting. I don't think I've ever seen a mask like this. This is from La Botica, and this is the bamboo mask. So I guess there's like a leaf or stem extract in this from bamboo. This ingredient locks in moisture and helps the skin regenerate. Wow. Where have you been all my life? Value of $2. Yes, lock in the hydration and regenerate. That one's mine for sure. Oh, we have an extra mask, I see. And this one here is from Yerma. And I have which one? The red ginseng. You could have got acai berry. Value of $2.50. And ginseng is, let me see, an anti-aging and calming ingredient. It helps add a hydration boost and soothes irritated skin. Love that. $2.50, I think I said. And then we have bonus mystery mask. Surprise, we included an extra mask for our Facetory fam. So this one is from, I have Elencilia Intracell. Is that the name of the company? I have no clue. This is a nourishing mask right here. I'm just going to let you guys see it because I'm not going to read all that information. There's hydration, nourishing, refreshing effect. So this is an escargot caviar repairing mask. Yuck, but I'll try it. Nourishing, huh? Caviar extract. Drenches the skin with moisture while visibly refining its texture and tone. Okay, I'm going to give it a shot. Why not? Great mask. So they are the masks that I received for the month of July. I'm excited about that one. And maybe even that one, surprisingly enough. So these are the masks. Oops, I can't hold them all. That I received in my bag. This is the bonus for July. I love, love, love this subscription each month. Technically, you're supposed to mask once a week. Sometimes I do twice a week. You can do twice a week. If you overdo your masks, it's just not the benefit. It's just not good to do. So getting 4 a month, I can do 1 a week. These are all Korean skincare, and I don't know about you. Everything I read and see with my own eyes, Korean skincare is top-notch. And if I can steal any tip or trick that they do to have such beautiful skin, I'm going to steal it, and I'm going to do it myself. And if I can start by using masks from Korea, I'm going to. Hopefully they use them. That would be the nicest thing. But if they're from there, I would assume they use them. But some of their other skincare companies that are Korean companies, phenomenal skincare. So, and I don't think you can beat it for $8.90 a month to get masks. And they're, you know, always like a $2 value, $2.50. Sometimes I've seen them $3 and $3.50. See, I mean, you're not getting $100 worth of masks. You're getting pretty close to the value that you pay. But I'm perfectly fine with that. I've been getting this since the very beginning of this channel, and will continue to get this. I love face masks. I wind up sometimes, because you get them in FabFitFun, you get them here, you get a box in, you know, your Luxe, BoxyCharm Luxe, you get a box here, a box of them, where I might have, you know, 8, 10 masks. So I wind up with a stockpile sometimes, and I do purchase some on my own. And I love sharing them in my giveaways. I share them with family and friends also. And then I use them once a week. Usually Sunday, I'll do all that stuff. So thanks so much for watching. And I will post a picture of the card so you guys can read some of this information yourself if you'd like to. And it does give you a little bit of information if you are a member and you want to switch, you know, advanced up to Luxe. There's a code and you can get 20% off your first month with them. And that's all down right there. And I will post a picture of that. And I appreciate all of you watching. I hope you're all having a great day. And I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.